why I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I know I gave you all you need. I know what you like. Good morning, dolls. It's your girl Deja Michaela, and I'm back with another vlog. Today is Saturday, and it's just like a random Saturday. I don't really have nothing planned, but I just kind of wanted to like vlog and show y'all like just a regular weekend in London. Like not me doing too much, no trips. I don't have any going out planned. I just kind of want to be productive this weekend and get some stuff done. I have a lot of things planned, so I need to be putting in a lot of hours of work these next few weeks. I'm coming up on like a long Easter break with school, so I'm just trying to grind out everything that I can do in March, because from April onward, like I literally have so much planned and so much that I want to do. So I just want y'all to come along with me and see like what I do on a weekend when I'm not like just turning up, because my whole life is not turning up and traveling. I wish, but also like I really appreciate the balance and just being productive. So I just want to share that with y'all too. So I just got dressed. What time is it? Let me see what time it is. It's 11 o'clock on the dot. So I kind of slept in because I was up pretty late watching Snowpiercer. Let me know in the comments if y'all watch that show, because I really like that show. Like that show is me, you know. It's kind of like a little bit of everything, in my opinion. Like they have the drama, they got the action, but they also have like the mystery thriller type. So I really like that show. It's on Netflix. Y'all should check it out if y'all haven't already. But it's 11 o'clock and I just got dressed. I'm gonna head to the gym, and then I have a few other things on the agenda today, but I'm kind of just going with the flow. So I don't even have a rundown to give y'all. I'm just gonna let y'all just let it unfold with me. But I do have some things that I know that I want to get done, which I will let y'all know when I get back from the gym. But I'm just gonna head there now, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go.
Respond to shit, move on. I'm like, fuck it, you trippin', go get it, so gone. Come and drop it, locations, I'm getting it gone. So tweet it, you sliding, the feds, come. Fuck it, these bitches, some niggas on. I'm hanging, we killers, we breaking, on. They really don't mean it, they say it's song. They really don't mean it, he play it, it's song. Talk about me and piss me off, and I'm like, yes. If you feel some type of way, you better slide and get revenge. He say therapy ain't helping, he been killing for a cleanse. She say she don't really got shit, but she's so thirsty for a binge.
So I just left the gym and just getting back home. I stopped at Aldi to get me some tomatoes and stuff to put on my salad. I'm just about to go up here and stretch.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradict things. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, on your fast. Lost in no fun in love. I've been down, baby.
So I just made this lovely salad with tomatoes, red bell peppers, spinach, lettuce, and celery. Yum. Y'all, so I just finished eating my lunch and I washed and blow dried my hair after I got out of the shower. So I'm just about to press my hair out. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, because the last time I tried to press my hair, it just did not last. I really need to get home so I can get it treated. But we are just gonna try and hope for the best. So I'll let y'all know how it goes. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished doing my hair and getting dressed, and this is the look. Please, please, please don't mind this little piece right here. Y'all remember when I first moved here, I burned my hair off, and she don't want to stay tucked away, but okay. So this is what the look is giving. I'll give y'all a full body in a second, but I'm just about to head to Bubbles, the Shisha Lounge, to do some work, chill out, just enjoy this nice Saturday. It's so nice outside, so why not just get out and do something? It definitely feels like a Saturday when you get your hair pressed and trimmed, honey. Yes, I really like it. It is giving a little bit of frizz, but she might last. So let's see. Now I see why the girlies wear wigs. What was even the point? It doesn't look bad, but still. I just made it to the area where the Shisha Lounge is, so I'm just about to walk that way.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know what I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to teach you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind.
Okay, y'all, so I think I'm about to head out because I pretty much finished what I intended to do here. A little bit hungry because it's been a minute since I ate, and also all I ate was like a bowl of vegetables. So, and then like literally that's all I had today. So I'm probably going to either pick me up some food or I'll cook, but I guess I'll make that decision between leaving and getting back home. So very productive time out. I enjoy myself. So about to get up out of here in a second. It's almost 7 o'clock. So the day is pretty much over, as you can see from outside. And I'm the only person in here, but I'm kind of enjoying it. My grandma told me don't put no more wig on my head. I just gave myself a good little trim. I'm very proud of my hair. So I'm not gonna put a wig on my head for a minute, but soon. Okay, y'all, so I didn't do much after I got home. I pretty much just ate dinner and watched some TV, and now I'm just here journaling. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really did have a good day. I do take myself on dates quite often, so if this is something that y'all enjoy seeing, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. Love y'all. Bye.